every single plastic surgeon owes something about what they do every day to Dr. Millard.
He was a person who saw no boundaries in plastic surgery.
Dr. Millard was a maverick all the time, and he didn't train in the way we train today in a classical 6-year training program. He picked his own training. He trained where he wanted to train. He spent a lot of time in England with Sir Harold Gillies, and he challenged dogma and tried to find better ways of doing things than people had done before, so he was a real pioneer.
He innovated so many techniques of cleft lip repair, nasal reconstruction, various other things that it established a framework in which plastic surgery could develop, I think.
When I was sent off to Korea and was turned loose with all those clefts out in Korea, I had my staff photographer out in Korea, the Marine photographer, take some pictures of some of the children running around. I was studying them one night and I fell asleep. And when I woke up, my head was at an angle, and as I opened up my eyes and looked at the pictures, one of the pictures was lying in just the angle that showed me that the cupid's bow and the dimple and the column, the whole unit of the lip, were actually present. Yeah. But because I was at an angle that I could see it, I recognized it for the first time. Nobody over thousands of years had ever seen it. And it was sitting there the whole damn time. It's unbelievable.
It's always going back to the basics, and that's what Dr. Millard taught. Learn the basics, learn the principles, and then you can apply them to virtually any problem.
Dr. Millard was a fabulous writer. His books won awards. They're landmark books because they were so detailed, so easy to follow, so instructive in terms of technique, so historical and so well written.
I think he was one of the best analytical thinkers I can remember.
He trained a lot of residents, and even more so, he trained a lot of fellows, particularly internationally. So all around the world there are people who are like me or trying to emulate Dr. Millard.
His passion for teaching and the art of plastic surgery is matched by his compassion for his patients.
I think you could fill an entire day's meeting just talking about the impact Dr. Millard has had on plastic surgery and plastic surgeons.